am intrigued about something. Those of us in the West have to do a lot of explaining about why we have modified our river systems the way we have. Columbia River dams, fisheries, that sort of thing. In the Southwest, you have the Colorado River and how greatly that's been developed. Why on earth do we not talk about the Chicago River and Lake Michigan? Like, this is the most unnatural thing ever. Water flows downhill. The river should go into the lake, but here it doesn't. We're in the river right now. That's the navigation lock that goes out to the lake. And as you can see, you have to go up to enter the lake. They lowered the river so that the water can go from the lake down to the Mississippi. This is trans-basin transfer to a ridiculous degree. And it was done 120 years ago, just so that Chicago didn't have to worry about its sewage system. The ecological consequences of this are impossible to quantify. But we just accept it, probably because it's the third largest city in America. I'm not saying it should be changed. I'm just saying there's definitely a big city bias when it comes to these issues. It's a lot easier to pick on the people of the American Southwest and say snarky things about living in the desert than it is to point out that every major city on Earth has altered its environment.